Give a crash course on critical global leadership skills for the AI, ChatGPT era, illustrated by interesting examples. As we move further into the AI/ChatGPT era, the role of leadership has become more complex than ever before. Critical global leadership skills are essential for leaders to navigate this era successfully. Here are some skills that can help leaders become more effective. 1. Adaptability. In the AI/ChatGPT era, change is constant. Leaders need to be able to adapt to changing circumstances quickly. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, many leaders had to adapt to remote work, social distancing, and virtual meetings. 2. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is crucial for leaders in the AI/ChatGPT era. Leaders need to be able to understand and manage their own emotions and also understand the emotions of others. For example, when Apple CEO, Tim Cook, came out as gay, he showed emotional intelligence by understanding the impact his announcement would have on Apple employees and customers. 3. Strategic thinking. In the AI/ChatGPT era, leaders need to think strategically and plan for the long term. For example, when Microsoft CEO, Satya Nadella, took over the company, he shifted the focus from Windows to the cloud, which has been a major success for the company. 4. Innovation. Innovation is essential in the AI/ChatGPT era. Leaders need to be able to think outside the box and come up with creative solutions to problems. For example, when Airbnb CEO, Brian Chesky, realized that many of his customers were canceling their bookings due to poor quality photos, he launched a program to provide professional photography to his hosts, which improved the customer experience and led to increased bookings. 5. Cultural competency. In the AI/ChatGPT era, leaders need to be able to understand and navigate different cultures. For example, when PepsiCo CEO, Indra Nooyi, introduced a new line of snacks called Kurkuri in India, she had to navigate the complex cultural landscape of the country to ensure the product was successful. 6. Communication skills. Communication is essential in the AI/ChatGPT era. Leaders need to be able to communicate effectively with their teams and stakeholders. For example, when Amazon CEO, Jeff Bezos, wrote his annual shareholder letter, he communicated his vision for the company in a clear and compelling way. In conclusion, critical global leadership skills are essential for leaders in the AI/ChatGPT era. These skills include adaptability, emotional intelligence, strategic thinking, innovation, cultural competency, and communication skills. Leaders who possess these skills will be better equipped to navigate the challenges and opportunities of this era.